All right, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to start with my eyes as always for this look, and I'm going to zoom you in just a little bit. All right, so to start we're going to take my Tarte Shape Tape and my Real Technique sponge and prime my eyes. You know, same way I always do it every single time. Nothing new to see here. So we're going to go in with the 3502 palette. And we are going to take this shade right here, which is in Tan. And I'm going to be using an M441 brush and just popping this in the crease, starting it on the outside and then blending it over into the inner corner, like so. And we are packing it on the outer edge as well, just so when we put our other browns on, it does not look chunky or unblended. Next, we're going to take, I believe this is Spice from the same Morphe palette. We're just going to put this on top of that tan shade, transition shade. We're just doing this, we're building a smoky, warm brown eye here. I am just going to bring this over onto the lid and blend it into everything. All right, I'm going to take my M443 or M433, whatever brush that is, and we are going to take Stone, this nice deeper brown shade right here, and I'm going to start packing this on the center of my lid and then blending it into the surrounding brown colors. But yes, we are just going to pack this brown shade on here and make this a little bit deeper and more seamless because, as you can see, it does look a little bit patchy here and there. And then I will go back in with that M441 brush and blend it all out into each other. And honestly, with any kind of smoky-ish eye, whether you're using blacks, browns, purples, greens, anything, you do want to make sure you're going back in with, you know, those brushes and blending everything out. So here is where I'm going to just pack on more of that stone color. I don't know why I keep looking down and away from the camera for you guys. But all I'm doing is making sure it's one even layer of brown and that there's no patchiness. That's not a good look. And yeah, making sure it's blended up into the top there. Packing and packing and packing and packing it on there, guys. And then see, yep, again, just going back in with that first brush, the M441, and making sure everything is blended out really nicely, because that's what we want. All right, now I'm going to take my NYX Epic Ink Liner right here, and I'm not going to do a wing. I'm just going to draw some liner at the base here, just because I am going to be putting on false lashes. I just want, you know, some black base underneath it. I'm not going to go bare today. So yeah, just use whatever black liner you want to. It doesn't have to be this one, but this one really is the best if you ask me. It has an amazing tip on it, and it's just, it lasts all flippin' day. I love it. And it's really inexpensive. Affordable. Major bonus here. All right, so now that my liner is done, I'm going to move on to my face, and I'm going to do this off camera. So yeah, hang tight. All right, I'm back. Oh yeah, look at that transformation. Look at that highlight though. Like, can't see that huge shiner on my head anymore either. Anyway, so now we are going to take the NYX Slide On, Glide On. It has some ridiculously long name. Eye pencil in Tropical Green. And I'm going to line this on my bottom waterline. So once I have put that in my waterline, I'm going to go in with the Morphe 12Z palette. And I'm going to take this green shade right here. I love this color so much. It's a beautiful emerald green, like a really wonderful jewel tone green. And I'm going to take this R43 brush from Morphe, and I am going to get this really close to my lash line, waterline, and blend it all in together. And I'm just going to bring this all the way over and try to pack this on and blend this out as best I can. So I'm getting this really close to the lash line, but also trying to blend it a little bit farther down, and I'm bringing it up to meet that black liner as well. Obviously, it's not going to seamlessly blend out, but we're going to do our best to conjoin it. So I'm going to take that M441 again, and I'm just going to start blending out that tan color into the bottom, just so it ties together a little bit more. All right, and then I'm going to take Diva and Enchanted from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to pop both of these shades on the bottom lash line as well over top of that already existing green shade. And I am going to use Enchanted to join my liner and the shadow a little bit better. I am using an e.l.f. flat definer brush here to do that. And then I'm going to pop on some lashes. So I'm going to apply Bad Gal Bang from Benefit. And then, boom, lashes. These are the House of Lashes Knockout Lashes. And yeah, that completes this look. I hope you guys really liked this tutorial. I hope you thought it was a little bit fun with the pop of color. If anything, you know, neutral brown, then some green. Yeah. Obviously feeling myself here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me. If you did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And while you're over there, don't forget to subscribe. Again, thank you guys so much. I will see you in my next video.